Hey, I'm Avi, Engineering Manager here at West-Trak. We recently completed this Rotary breaker project for BT Mining. We replaced these beams and screen plates with a custom-made 32mm thick 450 grade wear steel. BT Mining came to us to assist with this rebuild. After a site visit to measure the old breaker, we worked with the customer and finalized a new design. We cut the 32mm plates on a CNC plasma cutter. For better precision, we drilled and countersunk the plates on a CNC milling machine. Then we used a 500-ton press brake to bend the plates. 450 grade wear steel is used for this project, which is ideal for the abrasive material going through this breaker. Now everything's in place and breaker is ready to be installed, only after a few days of designing and manufacturing. We work with all grades of wear steel and thicknesses up to 90mm. If you've got a project that needs precision and a quick turnaround, get in touch with West-Trak and we'll love to support your next project.